Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to change resolution in CapCut. So changing video resolution like a pro. So this is a complete tutorial. First of all, we'll just have to import the video from a desktop, and after, as you can see, we will just have to drag to hold from this material right over here. And after, so I'm going to just take a change of resolution. First of all, we will just tap on its ratio, and we will just have to select the ratio from here. I want to just upload it on YouTube channel, so we will just select the 16:9 ratio, and after we will just move in this export option. So just tap on it. So basically, as you can see, there is an option of resolution. So right now we will just have on a 720 pixel resolution. We will just tap on it, and we will just have to select the 1080 pixels, 2K, 4K or 8K. But I will just recommend it for the 4K resolution. And after, you will just have to export it in your folder. So in this way, you will just have to change resolution in CapCut like a pro. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.